This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockly, security redefined.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Whether you're moving, renovating, or want to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto-lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of a keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using Bluetooth. Need to let someone in when you're not at home? Like when mom is early. Remotely let guests in anywhere, anytime. Create secure, temporary keys right on the app. For friends, family, service people. Once a set time ends, keys are automatically deleted. Track your door's activity so you know who comes and goes. Set alerts that matter to you, like getting alerted when your son arrives home. For total peace of mind, some locks let you check if your door is both closed and locked. You can also use your voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to check your door status and control your door. If you don't want to touch your front door's hardware or are renting, a retrofit lock is a perfect solution. These locks are easy to install and offer all the same remote access features. They attach to your existing lock on the inside of your door. Plus, keep your keys. Smart locks easily integrate into your smart home network, including wireless doorbell cams and home security systems. Most smart locks install in just minutes and only require a screwdriver. And don't forget about matching hardware. Complete your front door upgrade by purchasing matching handle to fit your door style.
This is ULTRALOQ UL3 BT 2nd generation, a Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock designed to be real keyless. With features like fingerprint identification, it is an excellent solution for everyone. Forget about calling the locksmith or replacing keys. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. ULTRALOQ UL3 BT 2nd generation has Bluetooth connectivity that will allow you to pair it with your smartphone running iOS or Android. This way you'll be able to unlock your door using the smartphone app. With the app and ULTRALOQ Bridge, you'll have even more possibilities. If you have an Airbnb, you can share temporary e-keys and set codes for specific dates and times. Manage users and check the log record of who has entered from anywhere you are. And one more option to unlock it is with your Apple Watch for keyless access. ULTRALOQ UL3 BT 2nd generation has an auto lock function, so your security can never be forgotten. The touchscreen display and the app will guide you through the process of managing users, as well as setting passage or lockout mode. With passage mode, the lock will remain open for free access. With lockout mode, your lock can only be operated manually by the mechanical key. In case the batteries die, just use the backup keys to open it as any other lock. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. Bridge and IFTTT integration syncs your ULTRALOQ with the rest of your smart home, and you can use voice commands with your smart speaker. ULTRALOQ UL3 BT 2nd generation, a smart lever lock with amazing capabilities, ready to work with your door.